We are getting the shaft on this one. Will that do it? Or should I stack more pieces back there? Maybe this one. Wow. Oh, jeez. Gotta pull that nail out of there. Let's see if this helps out. Not so much. The piece was wider. I do have a wider piece down there. Give me a second, guys. That may just be the trick. If it's covered up, you shouldn't have issues. Is it holding? We'll find out. Oh! Ow! What happened there? There we go. One more down here, guys. I don't know if I can screw it in anything though. Maybe put another one here. Just because I don't have options. Making it work with very little. That's the off-grid tiny house. Now this one came out of place, which I don't really care for, but it's there. We'll see what it looks like from your guys' view. Okay. Needs some super, I gotta grab some aluminum tape and do some major taping, but you know, it's okay. And if it's painted, Should be okay. You guys can not see anything, can you? That's horrible. Maybe I should turn that light off on the camera. Or actually open the door so we can get some more light. That helps. Hopefully you guys didn't see nothing on all that recording, but well, it looks so dark on the viewfinder. I don't know. Maybe it'll show up different on the computer. But with some paint and some more aluminum tape, especially up here to fix this, the sides, then it should be okay. And that uses up all my long pieces. So all I have left is these little piss cutters right here. And yeah, let me grab them. I have some tape out in the truck that I can use. I'll probably need it right away. So I got some small pieces here. So that means the rest of these windows will have to be pieced in. So they're gonna have friggin' gaps, which is not really the best. Or not gaps, but seams, I should say. So they'll have stuff like this. Let me shoot the camera. They'll see this. They'll have a bunch of these to be, to be pieced in there. That really sucks. So I'm gonna tape up the window here, and that should tidy up all that friggin' survival blanket material, and go from there. But you know, it doesn't look half bad for what I'm working with, guys. Really. Because I'm working with very little on a budget. Because YouTube needs to start paying me. Pay me at least $200. Jeez. That'd be nice. Then I could actually buy material. Let's see. So that worked out halfway decent. Oh, right here. Damn it, I gotta turn the camera. Hold on, guys. Right here. So, because this one is close to the, I'm gonna put a nail in there just to tie that in, and it's got to be fairly low because it's going to be about here, just to tighten that up so it's not springy. Dear Lord. That is smart. Everything is in my way. I got the wrong friggin' hand for this. Chance. Jesus. That bouncy wall is something else, guys, I tell you what. Come on. Alright. I'm pulling this friggin' nail. Got another dud. God, I don't know. Crap I'm using this junk anymore. Jesus. Oh, these bouncy walls, man. Unbelievable. Christ, is it going to go in anytime soon? There. That's better. After a million hammer blows and the wall just going like this in behind it, so I had to reach down, pull them together with my fingers just to get that friggin' nail in. Because of the air gap. Oh boy. Tell you what, it's nasty. So I'm gonna go grab some tape and tape this window up, and I'll be